selected.
Yes. Check. Continue approach 1006, check all final. Okay, approach final fix 2000, minus 390, engine out, 603, right and go out 5. Okay. Runway inside C. Stand by until final aja.
Lucu deh temen nanti malam kayaknya.
Apa?
Awannya.
Oh, ini malam hancur sih, fix. Approaching 1000 to go, setting minimum is 400 feet. Check. Okay, gear down, flaps 15. Check. Speed brake arm 15, speed set. Check. Flaps 25.
Flaps 25.
25, speed set. Okay, flaps 40.
Flaps 40.
Initial VRF plus 5. Here we go. 40 set and green light landing checklist.
Landing checklist itself
It's continuous. Arm down.
Flaps
40 and green light.
Landing checklist complete.
Check.
Ini udah lo tambahin ya?
Enggak.
Oh, enggak.
Ikutin aja.
Ikutin aja.
Ya.
Ini udah berkoreksi ya?
Oke.
Update.
135 check. Initially VRF plus 5, 140 max 150, 65.4 ton, 65. Final fix 602 2000 on the glide. There we go. 1000 go around, we'll check 5000 is the percent. Check. Expect shifting winds. Understood. Yeah, more 1,500 feet. We are configured. Gears down and 40 green light check. Check.
40 feet. 2,5.
Agak tinggi ya.
Iya, agak tinggi seharusnya.
Satu atau horizon.
Horizon ya.
Ya. Nah ini nih.
Bearing 29 udah masuk.
Left 9 knots. Okay. This is range. Okay, to enter right check on the glide. Good 1000 Baros 390. Stabilize, continue approach. Final flight.
1,000.
Flight director.
Check. Heading to the left.
Check. Correcting.
Approaching 28.
Heading to the left 11.
Correcting, flying down.
Increase performance.
Check, understood. Come on. 3 wind, acknowledge, still
500.
correcting.
Check. On the pad.
Check,
Minimums.
Heading 5 left 8.
check. Continuing.
300.
Rewrite correcting.
200.
Visual.
Check. Landing.
100.
Check.
50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Hit the shot.
Here we go.
Table normal.
Awesome.
remaining.
Check.
60 long.
Check. Auto braking.
Auto Prism, I have the
You have control.
Katanya tanda di untuk deal.
Okay. Take it, Charlie.
2,000 remaining.
Charlie stand number 8, land enter FOV. My God.
Berat ya?